This is a quick overview on how to set up our Google Drive add-on for Smarty Pants plugins. So first you want to make sure you're updated to the latest version, which is 1.2.6. We changed a few things because Google updated their API for Drive, so we had to change a bunch of stuff. So once you activate the plugin, you'll go to premium settings and you'll notice that we need a client ID, client secret. To do this, you want to go to the Google console, and that's just console.developers.google.com. And once you're there, if you don't already have a project, you're just gonna want to make a project. Um, okay, so we created our project. And if you already have a project, you can just add this right to your project already. So first, we want to add the library. So click library, search for Drive, Google Drive API, and you can see this is already enabled. If it's not enabled, you're going to want to enable it. So let's go back to our dashboard and click credentials. Sorry, actually, yep, okay. So now I'm on our new project here. So this I was on the wrong project. So this project you want to click enable. It's going to enable Google Drive. Okay, and go back to the dashboard. Click credentials. Click create credentials, and you want to choose OAuth client ID. Okay, so it's telling us first we need to set up the consent screen. So that's this right here. We can name this. And you're gonna want to upload a logo and fill in all this information here. Okay, so we set up our screen. Let's go back and create our OAuth client ID, and you want to choose web client web application, and the origin, which is the URL, and you want to put the authorized redirect URI, which is located on the settings page. Then click create, and it gave us our client ID. You want to put that up here, and client secret, and then you want to put that right there, and click save. And so now we have our API key set up. Navigate to the front end. And now you can basically, you or any of your users can authenticate with Google Drive. So the first time the user connects, they're gonna have to authenticate so it can connect to their drive. This screen will show up if your app isn't verified yet. So now we are authenticated. We can click Google Drive. We can import Drive. Um, and we can import anything from Google Drive now. And you can see that show up right there. Now it's going to keep on showing that verification message until you verify your app. So you're going to have to first go through the domain verification, and second, you're going to have to submit your app to Google. Basically, you need to fill out all this information here, add a logo, and add a scope. Actually, the scope is okay. That's all. That's default is perfect. And then once that's done, submit for verification, and then Google will approve your app. If you don't do that, then you're limited to 100 consents, and you get that nag screen when you go to authenticate. If you have any questions, please reach out.